Good morning, teacher. My name is Dominica Estudillo del décimo B. This is how I see myself in the future. I see myself in the future graduation from high school and entering a university in Argentina. I still don't know which one, since the career I want to pursue is automobile electromechanics. Since it is clear that I would like to spend maximum of 2 years in 10 years in Argentina since I want to learn more about the culture and of course get my professional degrees and go back to my beautiful Ecuador. After that I met up with my friends and family and maybe later I have a relationship. Obviously, first I have to set up a place and that I want to see myself doing in the future. Many thank you.